Okay, so we're going to talk about making some money today with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. In this video, I'm going to show you about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. We're going to be following along right here on this affiliate network sheet. I'm going to walk through all of the information you need to know about promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate, how you can get ClickFunnels paying you, what countries are accepted, how much you can expect to get paid, how to promote, how to get accepted as an affiliate, all the communities that you can go on training. And I'm going to go through other affiliate networks as well as walk you through everything you need to know about ClickFunnels in this video. And I'm going to show you how to get help, how to get resources, and how to start making that nice monthly recurring revenue, aka passive income, baby. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here. Once again, we're going to be going through the ClickFunnels affiliate program right here. If you want to follow along, I'm going to be going through this sheet right here where we have a lot of information on the ClickFunnels affiliate program. You can check out this sheet by going to johncrestani.com/networks. If you want to go to the link, just pause the video, check it out, open it up, and follow along. Now I'll be going over the countries. Any country can do this. No matter where you are in the world, you can be any age. It doesn't matter if you're in Morocco, Pakistan, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, whatever. Stop asking me questions. Does it work in this country? I'm gonna ban you from ever speaking on my channel again. Okay. I'm also going to be going over some of the advanced terms later on in this video, such as holdback, MRR, trial, churn, and stick rate, which we'll get to towards the end of the video. And I'll explain why that's important to you and why you should care and how that affects how much money you make. So once again, we're talking about ClickFunnels here. Who here is a fan of ClickFunnels? Type in "I'm a fan" down below. If you're a fan, if you're a user of ClickFunnels, type in "I'm a user." I'm a huge user of ClickFunnels. I love ClickFunnels. Again, I don't know programming much, so I rely on ClickFunnels and other programs like it just to not have to do programming. It's really amazing. Affiliate marketing has never been easier. So once again, follow along on this sheet, johncrestani.com/networks, and let's talk about this. So ClickFunnels is an affiliate program. The specialty is called BizOp, okay? BizOp stands for business opportunity. I mean, there's really two main things you can promote. Health, helping people be healthy and look good, or helping people be wealthy, which is making money, okay? Now, there is no approval for this affiliate network, which is really cool. You don't actually need to be accepted. You don't need to go through an application process, which is cool. And there are no excluded countries, meaning wherever you are in the world, once again, don't ask. I get so many dumb questions every day. You can be approved. Now, there are 18 offers. What an offer is it is a product that you can promote. And we'll talk about all the different products that you can promote within ClickFunnels. We'll go over those in a little bit. There's no offer approval, meaning you don't, some networks, you actually need to be approved for the offer after you've joined the affiliate network. You can make a lot of money from one sale. In fact, you can make about $500 from just one click, one customer, which is pretty exciting. The average commission is $40 a month, and there is support. There are tools to help you promote their products. There is training. There's a lot of training. This is what makes it so exciting. ClickFunnels just packs on the training, and there is a community that you can join and be accepted to. I don't know. I keep getting banned from Facebook, so I'm not in the account. I don't know. And also I get a lot of annoying messages on Facebook, so I just don't use it. The one downside is there is a cost, okay? It's $97 a month to join this affiliate network. Now, the training is well worth the price, but I know many of you don't have any money whatsoever. I get messages all the time from this. If you don't have any money, join all of the other affiliate networks that don't cost any money to join. Although if you do have money, I would highly recommend you join and you're looking to just get started in affiliate marketing, I'd highly recommend you actually join one of the programs that does cost money, because all of the programs that do cost money include training with them on how to promote them, such as my affiliate program too. You can join Super Affiliate System and you will learn how to promote my product as well as many others. And for $49 or $97, it's actually a really good price. Okay, you can get paid through a number of ways. You can get paid through PayPal, you can get paid through check, I think Payoneer, and the payout cash out limit is $50. Okay, And even if you aren't going to join this affiliate network, I actually would suggest you stick around just to learn about the different terminology around things. Once again, join, click the link, and I suggest you join as many affiliate networks as possible because that'll give you the best chances of getting accepted. All you need is to get accepted to one affiliate network, one offer link, and one customer, and then you're on your way. All you need is one customer, and you earned your first commission. And the next customers will be very easy for you. So let's move onwards and upwards. Now, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, for those of you who don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's a very popular program that has over 100,000 people actually using it to create sales funnels for their business. Now, each member of ClickFunnels to use the software pays $97. So if we actually do the math, 100,000 members times $97, that's about $10 million a month that ClickFunnels makes. It's a pretty big company, okay? And that's times 12 months. So they make over $116 million a year. So this is no small beans company. It's created by this guy, Russell Brunson, that you can see right here. He's known for getting his start in marketing by selling a book on how to build a potato gun. I'm not even joking. Has anybody here built a potato gun? I'd actually be really interested. Type in the chat, I have built a potato gun. I might give a special reward. So you'll see what is a funnel. So that'll be the first basic term we explain as a funnel. So a funnel is a series of marketing pages that leads people down a process to buy a product. Most people don't just click on an ad and buy a product. Most people need to be convinced in order to actually buy something. For instance, if you wanted to buy Super Affiliate System, right? Likely maybe you'd watch, 5 to 50 YouTube videos of mine, you'd get frustrated and you say, okay, I just want the step-by-step program. And then you check out my webinar, you'd register for my webinar, then you'd show up on my webinar and you'd watch my webinar. Then you'd read through my sales page and understand exactly what my program includes. And then after you see what my program, my 6-week training course includes, you'd go over to the order page, right? And then you'd pay for my program. And then after my order page, I offer, I offer people, if they want to actually pay me more money, an additional $247 a month, to have group training with me. People love the group training, and everybody who's a member of it, some people might say, oh, that's a lot of money, John. My time's valuable. And then that's what sales funnels are, okay? So sales funnels really help sell products, any type of products. The next thing, let's get into ClickFunnels dashboard. So here's what it looks like when you're logged in. And let's go over to sales funnels. You'll see we have funnels right here. And if we scroll down, we can see these are some of the funnels that I share with my students just to help them promote any product they want. And these are all kind of top ClickBank products right here. Now let me show you an example. So here's a product called The Lost Ways. It's a survival product. Now ClickFunnels, the way it works is you can edit pages, you can view the pages. This is what the funnel looks like. It says the ultimate survival superfood lasting up to 50 years. And then you'd answer a few questions. And for people that are actually in this market, this is actually really interesting information for them. And then they would agree to see a video. And it's a funnel. Again, we went through multiple steps there in order to bring people over to this video and help convince them to watch this video. Using funnels is a lot more cost effective than just sending people to a random page. It's kind of like trying to get laid on the first date. If you walk up to a girl and you say, hey, can we sleep together? You're probably not gonna have a very good chance. You're probably gonna have a lot better chance. Instead of going up to 100 girls and asking them all if they'll sleep with you tonight, you'd have a lot better chance if you went out one day and you spent an hour with 10 different girls. You had an hour-long conversation with 10 different girls. And then you invited them back to your place to do whatever you want to do. Okay? That's a more effective approach. And that's why we use sales funnels. Building a relationship, having people go through pages is more effective than just spraying and praying. That's why we use landing pages. And that's what I teach. ClickFunnels also, here's the edit page. It allows you to really easily just change stuff around. You can type stuff, blah, blah, blah. And without knowing any programming, I can switch around any of these images. I can switch around any of these, stuff in the quizzes. I can change the answers and questions. I can do whatever. So it's a really effective software I really like it. Let's talk about the affiliate program. So the affiliate program pays 40% monthly recurring commissions. And what's really cool is they even give you a lot of nice perks. So once you get over 100 members right here, you will get $500 a month additional towards a car. Once you get up to 200 members, you get $1,000 a month towards whatever car you want. So this is a very affiliate friendly program, and they pay out a lot of money. Keep in mind, for a company that does $116 million and they're paying out 40% commissions, that means affiliates of ClickFunnels are making $46 million a year. You heard it. $46 million a year are being paid out to different affiliate marketers. Now, if we were to just break that down into something that might be more reasonable, let's say that there's really 1,000 big affiliates of this program that really focus on this program a lot. You know, each affiliate is making a nice income, so you can make a lot of money from this. That means 1,000 people are making $4,000 a month. There's a lot of money to go around for everyone. Now, that brings me to my second term, which is recurring commission. By the way, before I get into this, let me know if you like this new format. Let me know if you like me explaining terms. So just type in keep explaining terms, or type in, you know what, no terminology. Just type in no terminology in the comments below. It's actually important for me from my understanding, these are kind of uncommon words, which is why I'm taking more time to explain some of these terms, because I really want you guys to get this and start making money with this. So just let me know if I should keep explaining terminology or stop, okay? It's you guys' choice. Recurring commission means that you are getting it every single month, as long as the customer is signed up. Okay, as long as the customer is signed up. So that, going back to our calculator here, if you get a customer that signs up for ClickFunnels and they're paying $97 a month, you get 40% of that, which means you get about $40 as long as they're signed up. And what's great about this program is, as you've seen by my numbers here, where did we go? I have 188 members that are paying for ClickFunnels every single month, because people like me, I've been signed up for ClickFunnels for 5 years. You know, many other people, once they start using ClickFunnels, they keep using it, and because it's so useful. So they've really built a good product here, and you can make a lot of money long term, and this just keeps stacking. The next term to understand is, you might have see affiliate program, and you might see that some people call it an affiliate network. Now, the difference between an affiliate program and an affiliate network is that an affiliate program is of one company, whereas an affiliate network is many different companies whose products you can advertise. So ClickFunnels is just one company. You can't advertise other companies' affiliate programs through ClickFunnels, if that makes sense. It's a little confusing, but that's the explanation. Now, another thing that comes with ClickFunnels is they have a lot of different resources for help. As you see, they have a affiliate Facebook group called the ClickFunnels Avengers. And there's a lot of stuff that's very useful in here. I don't use Facebook anymore because I get too many annoying messages from all of you folks. Stop sending me annoying messages. Stop telling me that your mother is dying and heart surgery and your kids are starving. I don't want to hear it anymore, okay? I don't have negativity in my life. So I'm not going to send everybody money. Okay, I'm just tired of these messages. So I don't really use Facebook anymore, but ClickFunnels Avengers, there's a lot of training in here, affiliate and best practice training. There's promotions, announcements, really useful to be a part of groups when you're starting out affiliate marketing. Again, community. I know a lot of people watch me, but they don't trust what I say or whatever. It's, you know, if you need motivation, join a community, because then you see what everybody else is saying and you're kind of like, oh, you know, light bulbs start going off and you start thinking to yourself, oh, wow, this is like, there's actually real people. Like, I can look at their Facebook profile. They're making money. Okay. And it's pretty exciting. As you see, 44 new posts today, just today only. There's 78,000 members in this group. So there's a lot of activity here. There's a lot of help. You can learn a lot, and they post a lot of training in here, affiliate and best practice training. ClickFunnels also has a boot camp. If you want to go through their boot camp, you would just go to this link. This is my affiliate link, johncrestani.com/bootcamp, and they have a 100-day boot camp to turn ClickFunnels from a full-time, from a hobby into a full-time career. I'm not sure what the cost is. Let's see if we can scroll down to the bottom here. I don't know, but I think it's under $100. Oh no, it's free. Get free access to the 100-day interview series. Sorry, so the boot camp is free, and but I think they sell stuff, so still use my affiliate links if you end up buying. And then they have this center. So this is the interesting center. This is the your affiliate dashboard, and this shows you how much money you make each day. So as you see, I record most of my videos in the past. You can see, you know, some days I earn $500, some days I earn nothing. But overall, you know, I've made about $200,000 from this affiliate program since I started promoting last year. What's really cool is you can see all of the products here if you want to get links. So if you want to get links to different products to sell, what you do is you would click Affiliate Tools and you click Get My Link. Okay, so once again, you're going to click this button. Let's say we want to promote the Traffic Secrets ebook. Click this button right here, and we would get our affiliate link. And this would be our affiliate link. And if we open it up, you'll see this would be the page that people would get on. I don't know, I think I have too many tabs open, so it's going slow. There we go. New free book shows 20 virtually unknown secrets. Get tons of traffic. Now, ClickFunnels is very popular amongst network marketers, digital marketers, affiliate marketers, e-commerce guys, drop shippers. You know, anybody who's interested in affiliate marketing. And Russell Brunson is a monster salesperson. I mean, this guy is, you know, this guy on his mission, you know, must have converted like, you know, entire countries of people. You know, he's LDS. So, you know, this guy is a monster salesperson, and he's just a great business owner. So that's how you get your link. If you want information on the commission details, you click right here. This will give you a little more information on how much money you've earned. You can get a download link. You can get more analytics on that stuff. Now, the best product to promote out of all of ClickFunnels products, as you see, they have just a ton of products. .com Secrets book, Expert Secrets book. They have funnel scripts. They have network marketing secrets. They have, you know, affiliate boot camp. They have copywriting secrets. They just have a ton of different products you can promote. The best product is just straight up ClickFunnels right here, okay? This is where you'll get monthly recurring revenue, and I'm a big fan of recurring revenue because that way, you know, let's say you get bored or you get to an income level where you're happy, you just kind of stop and you go on vacation and you let your recurring income or passive income make you money. Now, to get your links for the ClickFunnels, you know, just the main software, which I believe is the best, and you'd get your link here, and it would go to a sign-up page for somebody to sign up for ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels also gives you a lot of different resources. They give you banner ads if you want to do advertising. They give you emails that you can send out if you have an email list.